Okay, so in order to get a proper self-adjustment of the neck, it's best to mobilize the shoulders by laying down on the bed, draping your head over the edge of the bed, and that way you get your neck in a good S-curve. It makes it a lot easier to give your neck an adjustment. I'll demonstrate. Okay, so get your shoulders right up to the edge of the bed. Get your neck properly in an S-curve, and just sit here for a few 30 seconds or so. Just let your muscles relax. Once they're fully relaxed, you can take your hand, your right hand, put it on your chin because you're going to be pushing your chin that direction. And you're going to reach around the back side of your head, and you're going to grab your head as you're pushing this direction. You're going to pull your head that direction. Make sure you do it slow. Don't do it super fast. Once you get it where you feel it's nice and tight, then you can kind of go fast and breathe to relax the muscles. Just like that. And then relax for a minute. Don't just go right into the next side. Then do the same thing on the other side. Put your left hand on here and you're pushing that direction. Reach around and grab the other side and pull your head the opposite direction. Just let it relax into that S-curve and then breathe. Only got one on that side. And then just sit here. Don't get up. Just sit here for a moment. Let your muscles relax and just allow that S-curve to get back into the neck. Hopefully that was helpful to you. If it was, please like and subscribe. Hate my stupid face. I guess there's a dislike button down there. But yeah, continue to make comments on what kind of videos you'd like to see.